Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning and welcome to another Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation. Now, if you'd like to finally face the pains or the issues that have been stopping you from living your life the way you want, how about if we work together to help unlock the next big thing in your life? Send me a text message on 07801 543 515. Let's book a time together and get the next big thing of yours on the road. But first, here is today's quote. Don't tell people about your dreams. Show them. You know, there's a lot of I'm going to do this and I'm going to do that kind of people out there. So many words, so many plans, so much bullshit. They might be good with words, but what about the action to back it up with? And instead of becoming one of those people, don't tell people what you're going to do and just go and do it. Just get on with it. Work in silence and let your success become your noise.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.